Punta na naman kami sa ano, sa animal station. Laki ng puno mga dalos, oh. May agila, pinaka ano doon, kuwago. Grabe, ganda. Ganda naman ito. Mahal. Isa lang, oh. 55 lang. Ito lang. Oh. Mahal. Alin?
No. Baby lizard. It's baby lizard.
Lipat mo nga ba?
Hindi.
Muntik ka na matapakan ni Mimi.
Ikat na, ikat. Teka.
Muntik ka naging natinis.
Ay! Lumikat na.
Ayan, ayan siya.
Oh, cute.
Kawawa naman siya, oh.
Animal kingdom.
Ayan, oh. Sa pinakamalaking puno, kanina binibidyoan ko lang doon sa kabila. Ayun na, oh. Grabe.
Stand there.
Hind.
Stand there.
Grabe, oh. Ganda. Ay, unggoy pa, oh. Ang galing na paggawa ng puno na to, oh. Ganda.
Okay, let's go na.
Oh, pinapakain niya yung unggoy na ano. Ang dami, oh.
Parang may mga ano dapat pero pinagpan
Yan po.
Today is my friend's birthday. I have another one right here. I got something for you. Come on. You know what we're gonna do? A birthday song in Swahili. I want everybody to repeat after me. Sikuya. Sikuya. Everybody. One more time. Sikuya.
Sikuya!
Kuzaliwa.
Sukaliwa!
Sikuya.
Sikuya!
Kuzaliwa.
Galiwa!
Sikuya kuzaliwa.
Sikuya mga nangaliwa! Sabi, sikuya nangaliwa!
Hey, if you want to take a picture,
Si Balunga. Utang na mga kadalos, ang pila, ang haba.
Mahangin bukas.
Grabe mga kadalos, umikot yung ano, linya mga kadalos. Siguro abutin kami ng mga isang oras dito bago makapasok doon sa mga hayop. Kaya kung gusto nyo manood ng hayop sa Afrika kayo munta. Yan, ikot yan doon. Doon, sa dulo, hanggang doon. Kanina pa kami rin.
As with many gamecocks in Africa,
Hayop po. 3 hours bago makarating dito sa pila, mga kadalos.
When it comes to safari, we go wide.
Maybe one of the animals will weird to see if these are your favorite animals. On the right hand side, you're looking for that okapi. Now that okapi does have inches tall. Actually taller than that. This is the black rhinoceros. It's right over there, looking like a big old boulder. That black rhinoceros is one of the smallest, weighing about 3,000 pounds. It's gonna have a is where you're gonna find your book. On the right hand side, it's gonna be that pink fat pelican. Now it's not gonna be a super hot pink. It's gonna be a really light white
Nakahuli
pink.
na ko niya, nakahawak
They do
ako
get
niya.
this color from mating season. They are typically in groups about 20 to about 8 times. Usually when these hippos all first meet, they actually open their mouth really, really wide and big. And believe it or not, whoever has the biggest and widest mouth is usually the leader. Should we climb up a place? There we go. At all times. On the left-hand side, I think notice those Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles can actually weigh up to about 500 pounds. They can eat half their body weight in one sitting, and they do only eat once a week. They are typically around 16 to 18 feet long, and a lot of people do think those are alligators, but they're not. They're crocodiles. And the easiest way to tell the difference is the sign of direction. So if they're lost, they do look for. They should get their name from the Afrikaans because people thought they were wild beasts, hence the name wildebeest. A 20 to 30% successful rate, and a female African painted dog can have a litter from behind. Now, they do tend to be fighters in nature, so we like to say they fight for conservation here and now in their friends. A group of zebras is called a dazzle, sort of like razzle dazzle. 20 hours a day. Now, just a reminder, my friends, make sure all hands, arms, feet, everything's inside the vehicle. I really like my job, so I would like to keep it. So please do not touch a zebra. But animals aren't endangered. You guys. That is going to be that Patterson eland, this tan animal. When the half-foot giraffe is called a tower, kind of like a watchtower, make sure everything's okay. Of course, giraffes are one of the tallest animals in the savannah, being about 18 feet tall. A baby giraffe can hide. Those horns may look really big and heavy, but they're actually really, really light in structure, kind of like a honeycomb structure. Alright, and the Mandrill monkey blends right into the rock right over here. Looks kind of like a Rafiki from the Lion King. Mandrill.
Hello!
Don't miss it. But you saw the elephant. It's called Dashers, so you'll see the boys hanging out together forever. We've seen multiple elephants in this. Alright, definitely do not miss these female elephants. We'll watch just a little bit more. There's actually more muscles in their trunk than their whole. These are also known as the upside down tree. So if you flip it upside down, it does sort of look like the wings are growing up. Alrighty, coming up on the left-hand side is going to be the flamboyance of flamingos. Tell us about flamingos. With these flamingos, if you spot any ones that are gray-like or white, they should probably have it in a shrimp brine.
Puro may
It takes about a
mga
year or two for them to fully turn pink, and like I said, they don't have
puro may mga ligtad.
whole. That's your shrimp brine.
Uy, magha-heart sila yan oh. Oy, ang ulo, magha-heart.
You guys look on the left, you see that little one kind of like climbing on a rock right now. I don't know what she's doing, but it looks kind of fun. I'm like, what are you doing? Black stripe under their eyes, just like baseball players. Now having that black stripe under their eyes, the sun is able to reflect off of that. So they are able to see in camouflage a
Alin?
lot easier. Should we see it
Anong
now?
cheetah?
But across on the left-hand side. Hang down.
Ah, yung
There's also one on the right side
Ayun,
over here.
nakahiga.
Sort of like that stack of hay
Maliit.
that they're laying on.
kasing laki lang ng pusa.
Ayun din ako.
Ah, yan, nakahiga. Oo. Sana kayo. Kala, yun. Lion King.
They sleep all day, every day to preserve all the energy they need for hunting.
Oh,
Ayun.
Sort of right there in the road. Yeah, truck was trying to go that way.
based it off of the truck. He's like, you go.
Atras ka ngayon. Atras ka. Lalaban yan. Oh. Dahil back off.
Definitely do not miss those lines.
Ayun siya.
When you do see Simba, Simba actually translates to lion in Swahili, so that's where they got that name from.
Baboy sa butas. Oh, busin ng
On the
layo.
right hand side, definitely do not mix with these goats for the dairy products that they create. Goat milk is actually
Calderita
milk
kumain.
and all the animals, and goat cheese if you have red feta. One of my favorites. Now with these nights, Shiriana adorers, you are upon the Simba. And I hope y'all had fun on our little 2-week safari together. Almost felt like 20 minutes. Yeah, when it was Haley, it was my pleasure being your safari guide.
Ang haba-haba mga kadalos yung pinila, pero 20 minutes ang inikot. Pero mapapanood mo naman
Alright, friends,
maganda.
I'm here in Harambe. We don't like to say goodbye because we go far too sad and too safari. On the right side, watch your hand arms, feet and legs. So it's like open, watch your step.
Uwian na mga kadalos. Ang dami stroller oh. O tayo. Siya kakain ako. Souvenir na naman. Yan si ano. Dito ginanap si Tarzan, si King Kong. Diyan ginanap. Ano pa dito, yung tawag niya, kahoy? Hindi, inaano ng mga nuno. Balite. Ulo ni ano, ni King Kong. Ayun oh.
It's okay.
Grabe yung bato rito. Dito nga ginanap si King Kong. Yan yung bato. Grabe mga kadalos, akyat kami dito sa pinakamataas na bundok. So, ito. Grabe, ganda rito. Walang iya. Grabe mga lalo sa iyo. Pasok tayo dito sa kuweba. Oh. Kuweba nga.